Well, I think that when you're here at the Retail Jewelers India Awards, the most important thing is I've been coming here again and again, and this is my 4th year in a row when I've been the jury. It's just, firstly, as a judge, you just have such a great understanding of jewelry, and you learn over the years, and it's only something that being on a forum and a platform like this, you end up learning so much more. Secondly, and most importantly, I always say this, and I have it, this is like the Oscars for jewelry in India. It's like all the jewelers, all the best jewelers come together, and it's almost anonymous, because when we're judging, जब यहाँ पे हम judge करते हैं और जब score करते हैं jewelry को, हमें पता नहीं होता है कि कौन सा brand कहाँ है. So you know that it's very fair, it's very equal, and the best, and the process that happens here, the 10 pieces that we see in every category, or sometimes 15, they're definitely chosen over thousands of pieces that experts have brought to us. So it's a very interesting way of doing this. I'm just happy that I get to come here year after year, and more importantly, I'm just happy that I have an understanding of jewelry even without, coming from a background where I didn't know much about jewelry. Today I end up knowing a lot more, which is really creditable for someone like me. I know, but then I'll tell you, as a judge, my taste in every category is different. कि ठीक है, bridal में ऐसा होना चाहिए, या फिर modern में ऐसा होना चाहिए, या platinum में ऐसा होना चाहिए. But as a person, I've grown. पहले मुझे बहुत बड़े statement pieces अच्छे लगते थे, but now I like more vintage, more pieces that are older and that have a story to tell. I like pieces like that. But maybe in a couple of years it'll change again. But I don't think I've graduated to platinum and diamonds just yet. I love emeralds, and that's why I have emeralds on. I think last year also I wore the same earrings and came because I love emeralds so much that I keep wearing the same pieces. And I think the thing about jewelry is that the most beautiful part is you never feel the pressure. ऐसा नहीं है जैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं और हर रोज़ ऐसे लगता है कुछ अलग पहनना है. अगर आपको एक jewelry का piece अच्छा लगता है, you can even wear it for 5 years or 10 years, and you can wear it every day, and it's just timeless and it's classic. It never actually grows old.